We have how-to videos, work and energy example 4C, kinetic energy. So we have Ashley, who weighs 600 newtons. Important information here is she weighs that. That's the gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force is 600 newtons. Remember, gravitational force or weight, but I'm going to write it as Fg so I don't confuse that with work. Fg equals m times g. Now, if we are simply looking for the mass is equal to gravitational force, or the weight, divided by g. So that's going to be 600 newtons divided by 9.8 meters per second squared. If we tap that into our calculator, we have the mass is equal to 61.22 kilograms. Okay, if we move on over and start talking about the kinetic energy, well, we have kinetic energy 1/2 mv squared. In this case, we're not actually looking for kinetic energy. We are looking for the velocity. So let's move everything over so velocity is by itself. So twice kinetic energy divided by m is equal to v squared. And I take the square root of both sides, and I'm left with just plain v. So let me go ahead and plug in. I'm going to have the square root of 2 times 1100 joules divided by the mass, which we had before, which is this guy here. So that's going to be 61.22 kilograms. And I tap, and here's a midway point. I get 35.93. I take the square root, and I get the velocity is equal to, well, it could be plus or minus, but I'm just going to assume it's positive, 5.99 meters per second, or velocity is, let's just say 6.0 meters per second.